Hi guys, I'm Shikha.
I'm Mona.
Welcome to our pod, What the Gap. Well, let's discuss something which everybody is very interested about, which is dating.
Yes.
Okay, let's see today. Let's थोड़े राज खुलवाते हैं. Gen X की dating life कैसी होती थी? Over to you. कैसा होता था?
No, बहुत सारे राज हैं. वैसे एक्चुअली इट्स अ वेरी प्राइवेट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन. शिखा सिर्फ तुझे बता रही हूँ, किसी को भी नहीं बताना.
Absolutely.
नहीं, मम्मी डैडी ने देख लिया तो मेरी अभी पिटाई हो जाएगी.
Same, unfortunately same हाल है मेरा. But let's see थोड़ा बहुत. Let's share our thoughts with audience.
Right.
How was it?
हमारे टाइम में तो ना लैंडलाइन पे एक मिस कॉल आती थी. तो That was a sign, right? कि ओह भाई उधर से उनका फोन आने वाला है.
उनका बोला जाता है.
तो हम उनके फोन के लिए इंतजार करते थे. और तुझे मैं बता नहीं सकती थी क्या इमोशंस उमड़ते थे उस टाइम पे. लाइक आई हैव टू डाइव इन टू जंप, राइट. सेकेंड कॉल पे किसी के पहुंचने से पहले तुम्हें फोन पकड़ना है. मम्मी ने पकड़ लिया तो क्या होगा, राइट?
ब्रेकअप होएगा.
No, इतनी जल्दी ब्रेकअप नहीं होते थे यार.
We'll come on that
later, right? But yes, we had a lot of patience with our emotions, with our handling with each other. कैसे हम इंतजार करते थे, मतलब तुम नहीं समझ सकोगे ये बात तो.
I don't think so. But was it very normal in your generation, like dating? Was it a very normal term or was it like a taboo topic?
No. It was absolutely taboo. और especially लड़कियों को पता चल जाए ना इसका फेयर, ये लड़की बहुत चालू है, ये तो तुम्हारा ब्रांड मिलना था, तुम्हारे को लेबल लगना ही था. ये लड़की बहुत चालू है.
और अगर लड़का डेट कर रहा होता था तो That's fine.
That's normal. वो लड़के तो करते ही हैं, right? वो तो था ही. But privacy नहीं थी हमारे में. Like extensions, we had to manage a lot of things. Like landline.
Logistically बहुत complicated.
Yeah, of course. बीच में मतलब तुम्हें public में बात करनी है. Landline तो बीच में ही था ना कमरे के. तो privacy थोड़ी थी.
Imagine talking to my boyfriend on the landline in the middle of the
people
house.
with the code language and and cordless आए थे तो हमें एक्सटेंशन मिल गया था, बट हमें ये भी डर रहता था दूसरे एक्सटेंशन कोई ना उठा ले. राइट?
Oh my God, that's so scary.
Yes. तुम्हारे जैसे प्राइवेट चैटिंग नहीं चल रही थी रात को 2 बजे भी चल रहा है, कोई देख नहीं रहा है, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं कर सकता. ओनली थिंग तुम्हारी मम्मी को हाथ नहीं लगना चाहिए फोन, राइट?
नहीं, फोन भी हाथ लग रहा है आजकल तो पासकोड, एंड आजकल एवरी ऐप आल्सो हैज देयर ओन पासकोड.
ओह या, दैट आई जस्ट रियलाइज्ड, मैंने कभी यूज नहीं किया.
No, well, I've gone through my fair share of hiding, coming through, and just now being there, now being comfortable, but
but you have had the thrills of वैसे जो भी कहो डेटिंग में जो मजा है, ये बस प्यार का जो मजा है, the emotions, the flirtations, that is सबको चखना चाहिए जरूर, सबको.
ऐसा लड्डू है.
लड्डू तो है.
That's right. But I mean,
तुम्हारे में कैसे होता है? Like how do you pick? हमारे तो जैसे बड़ी लिमिटेड चॉइस थी ना. पड़ोसी का लड़का हो सकता था, स्कूल में हो सकता था, किसी को नजरें चुरा के देखते थे, वो हमें देख रहा है कि नहीं देख रहा है. पहले तो साइन लैंग्वेज थी, स्माइल थी, देन कि हाँ दिस गाय इज इंटरेस्टेड, राइट? और या फिर किसी फ्रेंड का बेटा, acquaintances basically. या फिर किसी दिवाली मेले में मिल गया, टकर गया तो अलग बात है. But rarely would we do that, right? क्योंकि एक्सचेंज करना फोन एंड थोड़ा डर तो अंदर से था. पर तुम्हारे में कैसे होता है? How do you pick? How do you choose?
Oh my God, how do you pick? It sounds so wrong.
Right? Like Bumble, Tinder. मैंने अपने बेटे को भी बोला Bumble तो कर ले यार. He's like, chillax mom, can you cool down?
Okay, then we have the cool part of Gen X sitting here. अगर वो अपने खुद के बेटे को प्रमोट करे, so then we know we are in safe hands.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you can tell me. You can share me your secrets, right?
I'm just like मम्मी पापा तो नहीं देखेंगे. But okay, So I mean, definitely. I mean, options are wide for us. Definitely, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा dating pool has increased for us. The options have increased. I think it has its own pros and cons.
Oh, definitely.
But ये जो आपको meet cute type का situation था कि मेले में मिल लिए and all of that has become lesser. It's because mostly we are talking to a person behind the phone or behind some device, so you really don't know. So meeting the person actually comes later.
Yeah, but how do you judge कि मैं ये बंदे से chat like भी है कि नहीं? कैसे पता
वो
चलेगा?
तो चैट करके ही पता लगेगा.
So red flags,
in
green
it
flags.
to win it, right?
Yeah.
So either you go all in, you just chat with the person and get to know him and what are the expectations. So some days, if you're lucky, some of the people keep their expectations on the first stance itself, right? Like, okay, we are looking for so and so and all. So बहुत, I feel it has become a very very like on the face of it, like some things in a relationship used to come out at later points in time, right? कि हम अपनी कुछ बातें बताते थे and something personal or something. Nowadays I think it's too quick and too fast. Like these are some things we have gone through, these are some things we expect, and this is something we
Oh, right in the front?
Yeah, I mean, क्यों time waste करना ना? I think our generation has become more of कि बता दो भाई क्या चाहिए.
And so this cousin of mine who got married,
पूछिए.
उसका check point था कि this guy lives abroad, he's financially sound, and he cooking करता है. बस जी, that was the choice. How you do that, right?
Yeah. But yeah, I think सबने अपना अपना हिस्सा देख रखा है. But I think learning मेरी यही है कि अब expectations कम भी हो गई हैं, which is normal and which is okay, I feel. कि अब थोड़ी कम भी हो गई है, फिल्मी से रियलिटी पे आ गए हैं.
अच्छा.
आज भी कहीं ना कहीं some part of all of us, I feel, at least in me, would want to crave that same Bollywood romantic connections. But at the same time, being a practical person as well, right? So we want best of the both worlds, which is quite impossible.
मेरा रोमांस तो rom-com मूवी से ही आता है भाई. अब तो वो ज़माना तो चला गया, but rom-com तो is always there.
Yeah, absolutely. सारी गलत expectation करण जोहर ने दी है हमें. But also he has given that world for us to see. So I am okay with it. So
मेरे crushes बदले हैं मूवीज के साथ भी. सलमान खान, then Hrithik Roshan,
Yeah.
and all these guys. Of course, वो crushes तो थे ही हमारे, right?
Yeah.
Tom Cruise, oh my God.
He's the till date evergreen crush of mine.
I have better people.
Oh yeah, she's married. I'm not.
Yeah,
So there's
you
the
can
difference.
say that, right?
But well, how are date nights or like date evenings for you? How were dates?
There were no date nights. Sorry to say.
There were no dates?
I couldn't step out of the house, man. क्या मतलब
Oh my
date nights? मम्मी को तो भनक भी नहीं पड़नी चाहिए थी.
Yeah.
Date night तो मतलब ही नहीं, right?
Okay.
We would sneak in college bunking. Shh, don't tell me. Don't tell anybody, Shikha, right?
Yeah.
That was, and I used to feel so bad because I was such a good,
Student.
Yeah, student भी और righteous भी. तो at back of your mind तो चलता है ना यार, मैं bunk मार के आ रही हूँ. नहीं बोलना चाहिए था, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था.
So there were no dates?
Dates was college bunking time.
मतलब कॉलेज में ही जितना मिले
Yeah.
that was the date.
No, my date used to be in Delhi University and I was in South Campus, so that used to be a big date, right? Because जाना आना itself like पूरा college गया.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh my
so-
God. So that was your time to know the person.
हाँ, very
जितना भी जानना है बंदे के
not
बारे में.
frequently at all, guys. Not frequently. It was like महीने में एक बार ही मिल लेते थे.
Interesting. महीने में एक बार?
और क्या? इससे ज्यादा कहाँ मिलना था यार? कॉलेज भी था.
हमारे यहाँ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में हम एक महीने में एक बार सोच सकते हैं. मतलब if the guy is here in Delhi, then no.
No way. No. I did not. I was not that gutsy type of girl.
Oh.
But this gutsy itself, I did a love marriage that time, right? So that was first in the family. So yeah.
That's a story for other day.
Yes.
Yeah, I would want to know what,
So
what was the journey.
I think मेरे बाद तो मेरे परिवार में सबने choose कर लिया कि चलो अब तो
So you
lead
opened
मिल
the
गया.
gate for youngsters.
Leader, yeah, I did the lead.
Luckily, even the eldest cousin in my house, both my maternal paternal sides, they were also the first ones to open gates for love marriage. So yeah, even same in my generation. I think now it has become more like a normalized concept,
Yeah.
but back then I'm sure it was not.
Yeah, because I traveled abroad a lot, so I think थोड़ा सा इसलिए normalized था हमारे में.
सबको बाहर जाना चाहिए. Is it what you're saying कि सबको बाहर घूमना चाहिए?
हाँ, it widens your perspectives though,
Perspective,
definitely.
yeah.
But अब तो कुछ ज़्यादा है. I think they're beating the Western world. मेरे को तो लगता है ऐसे कि अब तो arranged marriages are exception.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. But
it's not bad, right? Getting to know a person before a marriage
yeah,
is
absolutely.
right.
I mean, it's mandatory.
It is,
I mean,
yes.
you're going to give him like full commitment then. Even for the guy, right? I mean, both the party, both the sides.
Yeah.
You needed to know each other. That's
Yeah.
something
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
But okay, I mean, do you know about these various dating apps that are there in the market?
No.
No?
मेरा दिमाग अब चला गया. We don't have to. I need to look for options.
Have you heard about them from your son, maybe?
I told you, right? I told him Tinder तो मैंने सुना था पर उसके बारे में मुझे पता नहीं है कुछ खास. आप बताइए, elaborate on it.
I mean, so there are these apps, right? There are Bumble, Tinder, Hinge, and so there's this one more app, Raya. I'm sure many people know. So they are like a dating app. Okay, so I'll tell you. So that's a dating app exclusively for people who are in the public, personalities, who are celebrities or who are known to the public. So if I'm a celebrity tomorrow and I want to date only in like those set
Exclusive
of people,
classes, yeah.
exclusive class, I'll go on Raya, which I'll fill a form and there's a selection procedure to it. And seeing my Instagram following and all of my social media credentials, that's how I get selected in it.
Oh, I see.
And apparently all the Bollywood, and not even Bollywood, like Instagram generation, Bollywood generation, all of the celebrities, the single ones are there on that app.
Influencer accountant.
Yeah.
Oh,
They are
wow,
there.
man.
They are there.
So,
Yeah.
we'll
And
make
how
a
do
big-
you come on that? So for a person like me who is not a celebrity or a normal person, you can get a referral code from a person who is already there on the app.
Oh, wow.
That increases my chances of getting on the app.
किसी को जानती है?
जानती हो?
Oh, that's
Many
good
people.
one. Good one.
So yeah, but have I been on it? No. Have I been on any other app for a longest period of time? No.
Let it be. But yeah, I think you can't beat the interaction with people.
Yeah, I
mean,
do agree.
how you feel, the vibes that you get when you interact with people. तो तुम लोग पहले वैसे एक बात शुरू करो, मुझे बताओ कि जब चैट करते हो तो चैट ही करते रहते हो कि कॉलिंग पे कब आते हो या बात कब करते हो?
हाँ, ये थोड़ा है, stages हैं इसके.
वॉइस मेमो, ये वहाँ तक जाते हो क्या? What is the stages?
Okay, it's funny. It's like there are many stages, right? I mean,
Okay.
so there is a talking stage. Even before talking, there is a stalking stage.
Stalking?
Yeah, first you get to know the person like virtually. So if I'm stalking a guy, so generally, what are the pages he follows? What is general liking, disliking?
Where do you follow? Where do you check them out?
Instagram.
Oh, Instagram, यार दुनिया बदल दी तूने. हाँ.
So you just generally stalk a person, and I'm sure the guy also does it. Both ways.
I'm sure.
So you just see general posts and like how does your like feed look like, right? You know what are the posts, reels, whatever you have put up. What are your stories? Where do you generally go? What do you do on weekends? एक जनरल बंदे का पता लग जाता है.
अगर वो खाने की फोटोएं ज्यादा डाल रहे तो क्या मतलब हुआ?
शौकीन है खाने का, मेरा तो फेवरेट हो गया वो.
अरे वाह.
So yeah.
Cues, okay.
Yeah.
और travel blog लगा रहे हो तो.
Yeah, love it. So basically any person का general you come to know via social media. Then you talk to that person.
Okay.
You share like memes, reels, थोड़ा become comfortable with that person, and also you get to know via the posts and reels that they share, that we both share across with each other. We come to know what are our likings and dislikings also. तो आप पूछ रहे थे ना आपकी hobbies क्या, likes क्या, dislikes क्या.
तो ये Instagram से ही analysis होती है. अच्छा.
Social media has played a huge role, right? And then girls, it mostly comes in part of girls, we share it with our friends, right?
Okay.
Oh, I'm talking to this guy, he has said this to me, and what do you think? Should I actively go for it? Should I be like cautious, considering पास्ट में बहुत कुछ हो रखा है?
तो तुमने मतलब अपनी जेब से जल्दी से डिस्कस कर लेते हो?
हाँ, फ्रेंड्स आर लाइक बडीज, आर लाइक सिस्टर्स, वी टॉक एवरीथिंग, राइट? आई मीन जब तक हम अपने दोस्तों को खुल के नहीं बता सकते ना, आई फील कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. आई थिंक बिकॉज दोस्त हमारे साथ हमेशा से हैं, राइट? लाइक स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द वंस हु हैव बीन देयर विद यू लाइक फॉर अबाउट लाइक 4-5 years or more than that, right? They know you, मोटा they know you, so they know कि ये इसके साथ चल पाएगी, इसके पास नहीं, right? So
they analyze better.
Yeah, they analyze, and always like a third person will have a much better view. I'm not saying discuss everything, but starting में when you're a little,
वैसे friend ChatGPT से भी पूछते हो?
हाँ, ChatGPT से भी पूछा जा सकता है जब दोस्त फोन ना उठाए. That is your quick rescue plan.
Yeah.
But हाँ, you discuss with your friends, you talk to the person, and then अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है, actually in this world it's difficult to judge, right? कि वो बंदा सही है या creepy है या कैसा है. Even for for the guys. I feel it's
Of course,
it's both
I've
ways.
seen people putting a different picture
and then
and
they
when
look very different.
Yeah, of
So
course.
dating apps is a
It's
very big question mark on that only. Not even like, even the visuals and everything. Also in chatting, you don't know how the person speaks, right?
Yeah,
तो आप
exactly.
एक certain
Exactly.
expectation के साथ आते हो on the first date और फिर reality खुलती है on the first date. That
Call
actually
पहले बात ही नहीं होती.
हाँ बात भी कर सकते हो. You can talk on the phone and all, but क्या है ना talking में भी इतना you just talk like 2-3 minutes maybe and you can just rush through, right? You can say, oh, I'm getting a call, okay, bye. Like you can just cut the conversation. But जब आप reality में मिलते हो तो आपको बहुत कुछ पता लगता है. And I think I'm a person of, मेरी personal opinion ये है कि body language से ज़्यादा कोई इंसान के बारे में कुछ बता नहीं सकता.
Yeah.
And I think body language speaks it all. So for me, I would rather meet the person over texting, chatting, talking. How would you judge a person? आपके उसमें like आपको क्या basic 3-4 चीजें देख के लगता था हाँ यार ये बंदा तो सही है.
प्यार तो अंधा ही होता है. ये तो मैं तुझे पहले बता
तो
दी.
आज भी आई.
तो आप जब प्यार में होते हो ना आपको सब कुछ सही लगता है एक्चुअली. जब तक बुखार नहीं उतरता तब तक तुम्हें कुछ नहीं दिखता है. एटलीस्ट मेरा फंडा तो यही है. दैट्स व्हाट आई think it is. It was with me.
But did you like see some basic checks or basic things कि हाँ यार non-negotiables क्या थे आपके?
नहीं इतनी expectations
थे नहीं non-negotiable.
Not really. I was like judge the person because what mattered was how is the person, how he is actually in a difficult situation, how he's supportive is he.
Yeah.
That was most important.
That's the most important, right?
Yes.
Even now, I mean, जितना भी हम अपनी expectation ऊपर नीचे करते हैं, at the end of the day, every guy and every girl needs a person who's supportive, who listens, who doesn't hear, who listens.
Listen.
Yeah. And
but husbands actually go to that stage only. कितना भी तेरा कुछ भी हो जाए वो आखिरी में वही पहुंचेंगे. अच्छा बोल रहे हैं. हाँ ठीक है.
क्या वो सुन रहे हैं या वो बस सुन रहे हैं?
बोल तो रही हो. हाँ ठीक है. वहाँ तक पहुंच जाते हैं लोग सब.
Interesting.
So,
but how did you okay, so you dated in your time, you had a love marriage. How did you introduce this? Like how did you guys meet each other's families? Like how was that meeting?
That was a big phobia, man.
Did
it
you
took
do
us
prep?
a lot of guts, a lot of time, and so it took us a lot of time to actually make it seep into our parents the idea of this happening. And I think उनको ये समझ में आ गया था हमने और कुछ सुनना ही नहीं है. ना तो सुनना ही नहीं है तो they kind of
gave
up on it.
Just
they gave in, right?
They're like देख लेंगे तुम्हें भी कर लो आज शादी.
हाँ तो आज भी मम्मी बोलती तो है तेरा ही चुना हुआ है. अब तो वो भी सुनना पड़ता है बेटा.
वो भी सुनना. Coming back to dating, I mean I feel in our generation, this is what I feel. I don't like the concept of date night. I mean I would rather go with a person on breakfast than on a dinner.
Wow.
So
that'd be very cute.
That I have really thought about this topic and I have come up with this analysis. The better if you want to know a person's reality or just how he is ना, मतलब बंदा कैसा है यार, चिल है, मतलब नॉर्मल बंदा कैसा है रियलिटी में, तो वो बंदा आपको तभी पता लगेगा जब आप उसको ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दोगे. सो व्हेन आई से टाइम, डिनर में क्या होता है, प्लान्ड होता है जनरली हर चीज़, कहाँ जाना है, कैसे कपड़े पहनने हैं, क्या हम खाएंगे. इट्स यूजुअली एन अ फैंसी प्लेस. डिनर्स आर जनरली फैंसी, राइट? एंड द गाय ऑल्सो वांट्स टू मेक दैट एफर्ट, द गर्ल ऑल्सो वांट्स टू लुक प्रिटी एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? इट्स मोर ऑफ एन एफर्ट दैट यू आर मेकिंग अप फॉर द पर्सन. एंड हम बाहर जाते हैं, दोनों साइड्स बहुत नर्वस होती है, एंड यू सिट डाउन एंड specifically those fancy dinners, I'll tell you why I don't like them. Generally they are at least these fancy sushi places or something, okay? And me, being me, I am very very nervous. I'm like यार जब तक सुशी यहाँ से यहाँ तक नहीं आएगा ना, वो गिर गया तो मेरी इज्जत का तो फलूदा हो जाएगा. So it's very it's very
formal and judgmental
of date, right? Even I'm sure the guy has his own nervousness,
yes,
and I have my own nervousness.
Anxiety तो बड़ी
होती है. It's very and keeping up properly, sitting properly, eating, and then talking, क्या बातें करनी, क्या नहीं करनी, क्या topics avoid करने, क्या नहीं करने. It's a lot of prep, I feel. I think एक बंदे को सच्ची में जानने के लिए उसके साथ आप ब्रेकफास्ट करो, सुबह सुबह उठो, ज़्यादा आपका दिमाग सुबह बहुत नॉर्मल मोड पे होता है. यू कांट मेक अप things
Also
a lot.
no makeup look.
No makeup look हो जाए. If you want, you can put light makeup. That all is looks. वो तो second or third part होता है. I feel किसी भी बंदे को जानना हो, my pro tip is कि आप उसको साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट लेके जाओ.
What?
Yeah, I'm telling you. I'll prove it why I'm saying it.
Yeah, I need to know this.
so-
This is interesting, man. This is really interesting. हमें नहीं पता था इतनी, हमने प्लानिंग ही नहीं करी.
So I've
Yeah.
you know why I figured this out is South Indian restaurants are the most simple places you can go to. Very normal, simple item मिलते हैं, कोई menu, कोई इतना fancy कुछ नहीं. And worst case आप खाना हाथ से खाते हो.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल ही formality नहीं है, right? तो एक बंदा और बंदी दोनों की असलियत बिल्कुल बाहर आ जाएगी day one पे, right? And it's like shock and awe moment, right? If you can bear this, you can bear everything, right?
Yeah, oh, wow.
So, and also generally in Delhi, what I've noticed is South Indian, like a good South Indian places have good waiting time. तो 30-40 मिनट तो आप बाहर ही खड़े रहोगे. और जब आप बाहर खड़े रहोगे तो पेशेंस भी पता लगती है बंदे की.
Very well thought of, Shikha.
Yeah.
Must say that,
Yeah,
right?
मैंने काफी सोच समझ के यहाँ
हमारे
तक आई
choices
हूँ.
नहीं थी भाई. हम जाते थे निर्मला सीपी का.
Oh, yeah.
That was the adda for us.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean you get to know the person. Waiting time में you know see what you talk, small talk करो. जैसे भी become comfortable in that waiting time. आओ खाना वाना खाओ. 30 मिनट से ज़्यादा तुम बैठ ही नहीं सकते हो साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में. So it's a good queue. If the date went well, you can go out for a lunch as well.
Yeah.
If the date didn't go well, you can just end it, and 30 minutes is not bad of a time to invest with anyone. So
खैर हमारे साथ में क्या था?
I mean, it's a
हमारे
good way.
फ्रेंड्स भी साथ में जाते थे डेट.
date पे
Yes. Yeah, of course.
Interesting.
You would not go alone. You would not dare to go alone initially, right? तो तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स भी
तो
साथ में
side के
जाते
table
थे.
पे बिठाते
फिर वो
थे साथ.
नहीं. और वो तुम्हारी एनालिसिस कर रहे होते थे. और तुम्हें पता होता वो एनालिसिस कर रहे
तो आपके में भी फ्रेंड्स एनालिसिस करते
Of course. So पता चलता था they would end up having a date also, right?
साइड वाली टेबल पे बैठ जाएंगे हम. मैंने कहा तुम साइड्स में होगे, तुम्हें कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाओगे. आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि तुम आके बोलोगी क्या बकवास बोल रही थी. So you just know your friends,
Yes,
right?
Shikha, you have to come back to the track always, right? You have to pull you back.
Yeah,
वो बोलेगा
exactly. So,
So-
yeah, this was my cue though. Pro tip कि breakfast पे जाओ, get to know the person better in a more real form, in a more real space. And I think that's how I think पहली date should be raw and real, I feel. क्योंकि जितना made up होता है ना वहाँ से okay, anything if you start with this, anything better than that goes like this in a graph, right?
Yeah.
If you start with this, then next would be thoda underwhelming, which usually takes a toll, kabhi. So I feel you should start from ground and make your way up together as a couple. This is what I feel. I think I should be.
नहीं था यार.
I think I
कभी
should
सोचा ही नहीं
start
था.
giving sessions or TED talks on
Dating TikTok.
yeah, खुद बड़ा experience लेके बैठी हूँ.
Right.
But yeah, I think that's how. But yeah, seeing the transition, it has changed a lot. उस टाइम टैबू टॉपिक होता था. आज at least in my household it has become a normal concept.
It is becoming normal.
Yeah, it
yes.
has become normal.
I mean, if my son comes up and tells me,
Yeah.
you know, he wants to, I would be very acceptable.
In fact,
yeah.
happy, right?
Yeah, I would be very happy कि चल शादी तो कर रहा है.
Yeah. शादी, dating, okay. My question to you, right? क्या आपको लगता है कि how soon do you think dating should convert into marriage?
Okay. So this is a very good question, Shikha. बल्कि मुझे ही आपसे पूछना है क्योंकि हमारे में तो acceptable था. If you're dating somebody like 1 साल से ऊपर हो गया तो मतलब शादी पर्सपेक्टिव ही है. We were committed like
Yeah.
that way, right? हमारे स्टेटस भी बड़े सिंपल होते थे. शादी, सिंगल, अरे you know, engaged. Dating नहीं लिखते थे. मम्मी को नहीं पता चल रहा तो. But if you're dating, that means you are committed. तुम्हारे में कमिटमेंट कब आती है? कब सोचते हो कमिटमेंट?
नहीं सोचते तो हम day one से ही हैं.
Day one से सोचते हो?
हाँ, सोच तो लेते. देना ना देना जल्दी is a question for everybody. I mean marriage, I mean take your time with the person. I mean it's a big commitment obviously.
Of course.
And considering what we have been seeing around us, take your time. No hurry. This is one thing where there is no hurry. Take your time, know the person. I feel हमारे में ना इतने stages आ गए हैं बीच में जो अपने single, engaged और married बोला. इसके बीच में now there are many things that we have entered like Gen Z.
Like
right?
what?
Talking, situationship, judging.
Okay.
Sometimes it goes to
बेंचिंग, ऑर्बिटिंग, ये क्या क्या कॉन्सेप्ट्स है, मैंने सुना है इंस्टाग्राम
Oh,
पे.
if you know this, then you have done your research.
नो बट ऑर्बिट को पता है ऑर्बिटिंग क्या होता है? लाइक यू नो व्हाट दिस
There are,
कॉन्सेप्ट.
yeah, there is a concept orbiting, there's a concept benching, there's a concept ghosting. If you want to know the meaning, you can ask me. You look confused.
You could elaborate a little on this, like what is it?
Yeah, मेरी भी knowledge बिल्कुल up. I'm sure और terms आ गए होंगे. But I think what I can think of ghosting is when somebody just stops messaging or texting back or calling you. Like there's no interaction, zero.
अच्छा, अगर वो कोई करे तुम्हारे साथ ये, तुम क्या करोगे? ब्लॉक कर देते हो सीधा?
हाँ, मन में तो पहले बहुत गाली देगी.
उसको लिखते हो वैसे? वो
क्या लिखोगे? वो दे ही नहीं रहा ना जवाब. एक ही
अपने
दिन
भड़ास
लिखोगे.
कैसे निकालोगे?
लिखोगे, निकालोगे.
And then block.
कभी हाँ ब्लॉक करना कर दो. आई जनरली आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन हु ब्लॉक्स.
Okay.
आई एम लाइक देख तू देखो जो देखना है. I don't care like.
Because actually I heard somebody, you know, who said कि मैं क्यों ब्लॉक करूँ यार, तू देख मैं कितनी मौज कर रही हूँ, तो तू जल, what you missed, right?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's one way. So ghosting is when both of the sides में one person completely stop communicating. No Instagram, no social media, no WhatsApp, no text. It's actually bad for the other person, to be frankly.
Yeah, breakups तो
speaking.
खैर हमारे टाइम में भी होते थे.
हाँ.
But we were actually like we would call up and tell them.
Yeah.
roll them.
इतनी
थोड़ा
basic
रोना
respect
धोना
तो-
करते थे,
yeah.
इतना respect था.
तो था,
Yeah,
yeah.
you would not just blankly go off
Blankly
like,
go,
you know,
yeah.
that was, I don't think so. वो तो
Yeah.
बेचारा, he would have never come up, like overcome
Yeah.
up this grief of.
I think these all terminologies have actually, made us overthink. Like our generation overthinks everything. That is why, suppose, A person, B person has ghosted A, and A will be just thinking, ऐसा हुआ क्या? Right? I mean, this is very normal.
No, but
And,
of course, once burned, twice shy तो होगा ही, right? अगर एक दो बार ये हो गया तुम्हारे साथ, तो तीसरी बार
कट
तो
लो.
तुम nervous तो हो ही जाओगे,
हाँ,
right? If you, when the
absolutely.
third person comes in your life, because
Yeah.
इतनी variety. When do you start dating in like now? हमारे तो नहीं होता था जल्दी.
like, how soon do you actually commit to a dating thing?
No, how soon do you start dating up? Like in what
Oh,
age?
after a breakup?
What age?
Oh, what age? Oh, sorry. What age? I mean, आजकल तो what I don't know, 12, 13, 14. I've
Is it
heard
normal?
many. Yeah, I mean, 6, 7 standard से ही हो रहे हैं. I don't know if those kids know also the meaning of dating. But yeah, I mean, it's normal ना. I mean, it's very normal.
You like
now.
somebody and you say, I'm dating.
Yeah, पहले तो क्रश ही होते थे. मैं तो 12, 13, 14 पे तो मुझे क्रश का मतलब पता लगा था, to be honest.
अच्छा.
Actually, उस टाइम मेरे को स्कूल में थी when I came to know that अच्छा क्रश भी कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. एंड देन क्रश क्या होता था? जनरली मेरे टाइम में सीनियर गाइज, राइट, इन माई स्कूल, एंड सीनियर्स लाइक यू जनरली लाइक एल्डर गाइज
Of course.
बिकॉज दे फेल्ट मोर मच्योर, मोर ग्रोन अप, मोर इंटेलिजेंट. दैट वाज आवर क्यू जनरली.
Correct.
सो क्रशेस था. बट या आई थिंक डेटिंग एज व्हाटएवर सूट्स योर thing, whatever floats
So
your
by
boat.
the time you age, like you've seen a lot
कोई
of them.
एज नहीं है आई थिंक डेटिंग की.
No, but I'm saying by the time you're mature, you've already seen a couple of them, right?
Yeah. As long as you know what you want. Actually, dating बहुत casual concept है, right? I mean, छोटे बच्चों को भी लगता है कि हाँ we like each other, okay, let's date. अब if my generation dates, we are like mature dating पे आ गए हैं हम, because we see it with कि okay, we have to like we two people are coming along, तो expectations है, ये है, वो है. And also, yeah, I mean, we come into each other's lives to make each other's lives better. I think we come with thoda pre-notion as well.
Do you think guys think the same way?
I hope so. That's why I really hope so. Yeah, I mean, shouldn't it be the ultimate thing? Like, that's how it will convert into a marriage, right? I mean, I hope dating कर रहे हो तो वहीं पहुँचो. Hope तो सभी करते हैं, I'm sure.
Exactly.
I'm sure nobody wants to live in
nobody
between.
wants to come into a thing.
Yeah,
like-
but yeah, I mean, it has its pros and cons, but.
But I think this is more of a girl's perspective.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah,
It could be.
because- yeah.
We'll love to hear what a guy would think.
Yeah.
But I think if I, how do you choose? Right? You asked me.
Yes.
So there's this beautiful movie on Netflix which came very recently only. It's called The Love List or something. I might be goofing up the name. उसमें the elder, so there's this young girl whose sister-in-law actually, she's going through some trauma of her mother and she's having a bad time in her life and she's really not finding that person, the person in her life, and she is feeling very lonely. So her sister-in-law gives her a 4-question mantra
Okay.
to see how do you choose a guy, which
Oh,
really
okay.
helps me now a lot.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, and that mantra can be used for both guys and girls, by the way. It is a very good. So 4 questions you should ask after you meet a person and you want to really decide on that person.
Okay.
So I'll talk in a girl's perspective. So is he kind to you?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, is he a kind person?
That is a
generally?
very important
Yeah.
question.
Yeah, absolutely. Can you share everything in your heart with him?
I don't think you should.
Why?
No. There are things you should be not confining with
Okay,
anybody.
so
Yeah.
this is one
Yeah.
opinion. Third is that, you know, do you think he makes you a better version of yourself?
Yes.
Do you think he, you know, pushes
Definitely.
your limits, makes you grow as a person?
Yes.
And a 4th one you should ask after the first 3 hour checklist, and which is a little deeper question and a very personal one. Do you imagine, to not on a dating, जब थोड़ी आगे बढ़ जाए dating, is you should think that can you imagine him as the father of your child?
Ooh.
So
yes.
these 4 questions.
Yes.
I mean, even from
That's
a guy's
ultimate-
perspective,
that's
you
the
can
ultimate
think it's a
question,
very
yeah.
good. Is
Yeah.
she a good girl? Is she kind? Is she, you know, a person who makes you better as a person or helps you achieve your dreams? Is she a girl who, you know, you can share everything with in your heart, and do you imagine her as being the mother of your child?
Well,
so both
while
ways.
dating, these are very important, pertinent questions.
So
I must say
dating in
that.
my generation, I feel these 3-4 questions becomes important.
Yeah, these
But
are
अगर यही
pertinent
5 साल
questions.
पहले पूछते तो शायद नहीं. We wouldn't have thought through इतना. But
But
yeah.
एक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर भी होना चाहिए बंदे में.
हाँ, वो तो होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
मतलब
तो
वो
बड़ी
तो basic है.
डड लाइफ हो जाएगी, तेरे को बता देती हूँ ये. Yeah.
Absolutely. I think, what do you think? मतलब, okay, do you think sense of humor is something which should be a non-negotiable?
I think yes.
Yeah.
Because, you know, life is going to have its ups and downs. But if a person can make it lighter, you know, it's not going to be easy all the
Yeah,
time, right?
absolutely.
Life has its hard moments.
Yeah.
But if the person, the other, your spouse, can make it lighter,
Yeah.
then जिंदगी आसान हो जाती है ना.
Yeah, absolutely.
तो वो सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर तो होना ही चाहिए.
Yeah.
Definitely. I agree कि ये तो important part है जिंदगी में.
Yeah, even I feel like sense of humor, even literally, and even like, you know, mentally, like how he thinks, everything should be thought with a thoda sense of humor ka angle, because life is complicated, life does get tough and easy at times.
Absolutely.
Both of them can be navigated if the person with you has a way to crack it thoda funnily.
Exactly.
I'm sure not in all situations,
Yeah.
but if he can give me that perspective of seeing it with that lens, then I think it becomes easier. And yeah, I mean, यार किसको chill बनना नहीं पसंद? I mean, anybody that adds happiness and laughter to your life, why not? Like
Of
that's
course.
I think हम थोड़ी ज़्यादा practical उस पे चले जाते हैं कभी-कभी, that we want a practical guy, ये क्या हंसता रहता है पूरे time and all of that. Sometimes people do become that way, but I feel हंसते खेलते लोग, I do prefer a person who's laughing and who joins the room together. And yeah, I mean, can make people laugh, I think.
But do you think emotional quotient थोड़ा कम हो गया है आजकल? Like हमारे time में, imagine I had a distant relationship also, right? तो एक चिट्ठियाँ लिखना, फूल भेजना उसमें, you know,
Yeah.
फूल भेजा है खत में, kind of emotions लाना.
Oh, that's cute.
And yeah, sending my emotions, tears and feelings, and you know, जो दूसरा बंदा पढ़ता है तो उसको कितना अच्छा लगता था. तो distant relationship आजकल कैसे होती है?
Long distance is tough. I'm sure I have heard my friends, you know, thought to it, but I think long distance, it's a different ball game, I feel.
It is?
It is. I mean, obviously, right? Connect. अभी जैसे आपने कहा हम एक महीने में एक बार भी कभी मिलते थे, तो it's fine.
हाँ, तो चिट्ठी तो 1-1.5 महीने में ही आती
हाँ,
थी. उसका
जब-
जो लिखोगे तुम 15-20 दिन में पहुंचेगी, उसका जवाब.
patience, right? I mean, patience and
Yeah.
just being okay and comfortable with
I
the
think
fact.
also because commitment was more, right? You know, that's what I'm saying. Emotional quotient was higher, right? तुम emotionally ज़्यादा connected रहते थे, committed रहते थे.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
आजकल कैसे होता है कि यार एक तो पहले ही लोकली नहीं हो पाते, तो डिस्टेंस में कैसे करते हैं?
Distance makes it tough, obviously. What I've heard from my friends is that essentially, you know, you have to navigate, you have to find your own ways of navigating through that. Either do your. So there is this, there are many actually couple influencers on Instagram that actually, you know, have these reels and episodes of how to deal with the long distance, how to, you know, how do you navigate. So there's a kind of a check-in that you have in a couple. So date check-in kind of thing. You go out on a date, but that's like your monthly check-in. Like, what have you done correctly? What have I done correctly? Is there something, you know, we have not done correctly together? Is there something you want to share with me which I wouldn't have heard you before? There are some crazy things coming up nowadays. अगर ये सब हो रहा है तो why not? Emotional quotient ऊपर जाएगा ही.
वीडियो कॉल कर रहे हैं और वो उठाए नहीं तो क्या होगा?
पहले तो सोचूं कहाँ है. मेरा थॉट तो यही होगा, कहाँ है, क्या हो गया. फर्स्टली मे बी ऑल्सो लाइक कहाँ है, क्यों नहीं. Obviously if he's working then at that point in time, if I know he's in his office hours, then obviously not.
Obviously not. I mean, you would normally not call him when they're right.
Absolutely. Apart from that, if it एक दो बार नहीं उठा, it's fine, होगा कहीं busy and all. Third, fourth time में I might be like कहाँ है, क्यों नहीं. Safety point of view also कहाँ. Okay, so in long distance you become like more of a like, you know, care kind of a relationship थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ जाता है, क्योंकि दूर होते तो obviously right, when you're little nearby इतना नहीं सोचते हम. जब हम दूर होते हैं हम ज़्यादा चीज़ें सोचते हैं. I feel that becomes a little, थोड़ा caring angle ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
Sexting.
I don't know. What is that? I've never heard of it.
Okay, you don't know. I think मैंने सुना तो Gen Z से था. हमारे को, तुम देखो हमारे तो texting भी नहीं था, तो ये तो मतलब ही नहीं है. But सुना है, ये क्या होता है? PDA के बारे में आप बताओ. हाँ. तो PDA तो देखो हमारी तो शादी में भी नहीं था. शादी में भी हम सर नीचे झुका के बैठे थे. ऊपर उठाया तो लड़की तेज है, you know. She smiles, she talks to that guy. Oh my God, it was a red alert. Like, you know, आप ऐसे भी नहीं करोगे, ज़्यादा स्माइल भी नहीं करोगे, आप सर ऊपर उठा के भी नहीं बात करोगे. ये तो बड़ी मस्त हो गई है, शादी करके बड़ी एक्साइटेड हो रही है. ऐसे कमेंट्स हमने बहुत सुने हैं. तो PDA is बिल्कुल क्रॉस, रेड. Absolutely no. What do you think about it?
Everything in okay quantity is fine. I feel everything should be there, but in decent quantity, I feel. I mean,
so publicly display is okay.
Yeah, to each its own. If the couple is okay with it,
right,
bingo to you. Just if the couple is not too okay with, some are not okay. They sit very casually and they sit like friends and like bro. जो करना है बाद में होगा, but nothing in front of public.
Right.
Some people are sometimes okay, like if there's, you have to see the moment also, right?
Of course.
If it's a romantic movie or a concert going on, Arijit Singh concert तो ठीक है. पर अगर वहाँ बादशाह गा रहा है और यहाँ कुछ और चल रहा है,
Coldplay का concert जैसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Be alert कि PDA किसके साथ हो रहा है.
Yeah, that is also important, right?
Absolutely.
Don't get caught with it. I think that's on the camera. Especially.
Absolutely, be vigilant, सतर्क रहिए. But I mean it has changed, right? But this topic has always been interesting. I think me and my friends जब भी हम मिलते हैं, चाहे वो lunch, brunch, कुछ भी हो,
endless.
ये तो topic उठता ही उठता है. कौन क्या कर रहा है, किसके साथ क्या चल रहा है. And most of my gang is married now, तो dating वाले मुझे situations कम पता लगती हैं आजकल. But I'm trying to make young people more my friends, right? To be in that side as well. But but okay, well, let's play a game. Do you want to play a game?
Okay.
Yeah, let's play a game, okay? I'll give you some prompts, okay? Let's guess that is a landline generation or a left swipe generation.
Okay,
let's do that. First one. You wait the whole evening by the landline, praying that parents don't pick up, which actually you started with also.
Gen X, of course.
Definitely landline generation. Yeah. No left swipe.
No left swipe.
Okay, second one. Your date cancels with a WhatsApp blue tick, but no reply. Ghosting kind of a thing. Oh.
नहीं, हमने नहीं feel किया ये.
Left swipe generation clearly.
Gen Z are the ones who are going through this now.
Correct. The other one, mixing a love tape with carefully selected songs from the radio. मेहनत.
Cassette. प्लेयर हमने बनाए हैं, मिक्स ऑफ
बनाया आपने किसी के
सॉन्ग्स
लिए?
एंड ऑफ कोर्स दैट वाज वन ऑफ द गिफ्ट्स दैट वी यूज्ड टू गिव, राइट? हमारे पसंद के
Wow.
सॉन्ग्स, लव
That's so cute.
सॉन्ग्स,
हमारे में तो स्पॉटिफाई प्लेलिस्ट
और पढ़ाई करते वक्त वो सिर्फ वो गाने सुनना और मुस्कुराना। कभी
पढ़ाई में
सोचे
मन कैसे लगेगा? I don't think मेरे पढ़ाई में मन लगेगा like those.
Yes.
But what? That really is a good question. क्या टाइप के गिफ्ट्स देते थे आप?
Cards, flowers, dresses, बहुत कुछ था.
cute stuff. And was it mostly handwritten
I have to break this up, right? Sorry. So there was तब तो Zomato, Blinkit नहीं था ना. अब कैसे गिफ्ट पहुंचाते हैं, right? So imagine people living in 2 different corners of Delhi. तो उनके में एक this friend of mine, her boyfriend had a pact with his friend कि जब तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का होगा तो मैं ड्रॉप करके आऊँगा बुके.
दोस्त के काम आता है.
Yes. That was like तो एक दूसरे के घर में जाके बुके ड्रॉप करना.
क्या दोनों कमिटेड दोस्त, सेट ऑफ दोस्त, राइट?
Yeah, double date.
कमिटेड वाले,
Double date
single वाला बंदा कमिटेड के ये काम नहीं करने वाला.
पर
साले तू
imagine-
मेरे नमक झड़क रहा है तू मेरे ऊपर. आई डोंट थिंक
Yeah.
सिंगल वाला बंदा करेगा.
So courier service नहीं थी ना उस टाइम पे, तो मैं खुद जाके दे के आता. But how daring it was, right? Going and dropping off.
एंड देन अगर दरवाजा खोला और मम्मी ने गिफ्ट ले लिया फिर?
छुपाओ से.
नहीं मेरे दोस्त से आया है. आप मत देखो. Oh my god,
Yeah.
crazy. Okay. Ghosted after 3 months of sending voice notes and memes.
Gen
Bad.
Z.
Gen Z.
Of course.
Left swipe for sure. Calling a crush's house and hanging up when their dad says hello.
Oh, I've been through this. Now. Hello.
Sorry.
Drug दिया.
Did you get a call back?
Of course, that was an indication to the guy, right?
No, but did like the guy, the dad, right? He called.
नहीं,
and did-
तब तो वो वाला फोन था, उसमें नंबर नहीं दिखता था.
Oh.
या कॉर्डलेस में दिखता था.
हाँ.
आ जाता था. उठाओ मत. भाग
से लग गया
जाओ.
होगा.
भाग जाओ. कमरे से ही भाग जाओ.
Imagine the dad calls back and आपके घर से कोई और. Oh my god, I can't even imagine.
I know.
That's crazy. Matching with someone online only because they love eating Maggie at 2 a.m. Definitely left swipe generation.
Oh my god, seriously, you would do
Matching
that?
on that, I wouldn't. Maybe Maggie is too
Oh
less
my
of
god,
a
too much.
barrier.
I know. That can't be a criteria, man.
Writing love letters on scented paper and spraying perfume.
Oh my god, shit, तुम्हें पुराने ज़माने याद दिला रही है यार.
Was it
सारे
real?
यादें कभी गए. I still have those letters with me.
Oh my god.
Yes, I think
Crazy.
that's a precious thing that you can,
Yeah. I
something you
wish
can.
यार कोई मेरे लिए भी लिख के परफ्यूम डाल के दे. अच्छा होना
Cards,
चाहिए
cards
perfume.
में फूल रखना,
Yeah.
लिखना, songs
Cursive
लिखना.
writing
Oh
में.
my god,
I
yes.
learned cursive writing में कोई
Yes.
काम नहीं आई. Crazy.
नहीं, काम कभी कुछ वेस्ट नहीं जाता है. आगे आएगा जरूर.
आगे. Swiping left because their bio says dogs over humans.
Oh, again Gen Z.
Gen Z for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Getting relationship advice from cosmopolitan quizzes. Those magazines, right? Is he acting like that? Like yes, no ka. You give a scoring to every question and then you see how your relationship falls into. Have you done that?
नहीं, Cosmopolitan मैं नहीं लाती थी. I couldn't get that book in Bangalore. हमारे नहीं डाला होता. Sorry.
But
Karna.
yeah, but that was the end of the game. But yeah, I mean that's crazy. But on the end, like last question from my side to you is that, do you think opposites attract, and do you think is it okay to live with a person or rather to marry a person who's very opposite in personality? Or do you think it's too much, yaar?
I think it's difficult nowadays. People look for compatibility, and that matters, because what happens is eventually, if you're not compatible, you will end up having your issues, right? People, but ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे टाइम में ऐसा था. Opposites attract कर रहे थे, and we've survived that also. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but I think things have changed. Perspectives have changed. बट प्यार में बटरफ्लाइज तो जरूर होती है यार. ये तो मैं कह सकती हूँ.
first love type.
Opposites or not opposites or compatible, that comes later.
Yeah.
Butterflies, when you feel the butterflies in your
Yeah.
I think you enjoy it, right? क्योंकि और किसी को हो ना हो, तुम्हारे में जो इमोशंस हैं you will enjoy it. You'll find it beautiful. You'll find life beautiful.
Yeah.
Everything around will bilkul rom-com, you know. So yeah,
But
you
yeah,
must.
That's
I think
nice. Everybody should date.
you should feel the love.
Feel the love, yeah. Spread the love as well.
Right.
बस अपने limited लोगों तक.
हाँ, किससे कर रहे हो वो देख लेना और किसके सामने कर रहे हो वो भी देख लेना. Anyways.
But yeah, cool. Okay, that's it from our side for today's episode. Let us know how did you feel about this episode.
Yes, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget that. And do give us your comments on this, right?
Yeah, we'll get back to you in the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.